If a simple hat could give you confidence and make your day brighter, welcome back to our channel's Love, Art and Sketches. So today, summer vacation drawing series day 6. Today we are drawing a beautiful summer hat with flower. There was a little girl named Lily who loved summer, but she was very shy. She always wanted to play with other kids, but she felt too nervous to go and talk to them. One day she found the old pen hat at home. She looked simple, nothing special. But Lily had an idea. She picked her colors and drew a bright, beautiful flower on the hat. When she wore it, something magical happened. She looked in mirror and smiled. Wow, I feel different. I feel confident. The next day, she went outside wearing her colorful hat, and the other kids noticed and said, "Your hat is so pretty. Did you make it?" Lily nodded and smiled. "Yes, I made it myself." Soon she started talking, laughing, and playing with everyone, and she realized something very important: confidence doesn't come from what you wear, it comes from what you create. From that day, Lily kept drawing, creating, and believing in herself. Now it's your turn. Let's draw your own beautiful summer hat and feel confidence. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Love Art and Sketches. See you tomorrow.